Learning window. In the dialogue given on the previous page, Dhruv is asking questions and Astha is answering them with statements. Questions are sentences that begin with words like what, who, where, how, when or which. They always end with a question mark. Examples: Who is that girl? What would you like to eat? Where are the keys? How are you? Which is your bottle? When does the train come here? Why are you sitting here? Who is used for a person? What is used for a thing? Where is used for a place? How is used for manner or method? Which is used for choice? When is used for time? Why is used for reason? Statements are sentences which tell us something. They always end with a full stop. Examples: The sun rises in the east. I go to school by bus. Nisha has curly hair.